That's a big ass turbo.
That literally makes my car sound like shit.
Yo, this Mustang is fucking nuts. And it is a Roush. But look at this.
I've got different gears in it and everything. I can't. Oh God.
That's crazy. I could barely hear myself talk over there, man. That's crazy. So we got Arims. We got this one pushing 4 digits. This one 6 to 7 Procharged.
Said no, and the lie detector test determined that was a lie. Mexico, big ass fucking Procharger. Big one. This motherfucker is no sleeper. Everything. Crazy. But the cool thing to me though, look at the screen right here, man. Constantly running, you being able to see your numbers. It's crazy. Drags. Oh no.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
My fucking ears was about to pop. Holy fuck, dude.
I was like, fuck.
Damn. That's crazy. Yo, that's fucking wild.
I'm gonna have to give him a 40 now.
Man. Wait till I get my supercharger, y'all. I swear to God. I swear to God. That's crazy.
Let them go for a second. From a 60 or 40? All right.
Hey, we're in Mexico. Mexico has mountains just like that. I wasn't even looking at this. Is that what it just was?
Yeah.
Holy shit.
That was good.
He's running more power than he said